Inspection videos are powerful, but without context, critical information can be missed. With ASIO Explore, you can add subtitles that overlay essential inspection information directly onto your video, keeping that information available even when the video is shared outside the software. A customizable layout can be applied to videos captured by the ASIO drone, displaying contextual details such as copyright, inspection date, site address, customer, or project information. You simply choose the information to display from a list of tags, adjust the layout, and export the video. Subtitles can be exported as a text file for external video workflows, or the video can be exported with subtitles permanently embedded. Distance from home data can also be overlaid, updating dynamically as the drone moves inside the inspected asset.